I can frolic?
I didn't say that.
Madam, watch this. Imagine me, right, and our future children frolicking. Right, watch. Hey, see? Look, I'm frolicking.
Oh.
Hey.
Oh.
I'm speeding up a little. I'm speeding up quite a bit. Oh, God.
Oh.
Help!
And that's why adults shouldn't do kids stuff.
Help! Ow! Get
I've been stealing from this garden my whole life, and I was told I was wrong.